not everyone can say that those dogs does not have any meaning for biting anyone. From my personal experience, when I was visiting a shop to buy something, then I saw an old man throwing a sharp stone at a dog, and that dog did not do anything. Now, can you say that those dogs are in the wrong? Now, those dogs have all the right to bite someone for self-defense. Now, we can have some precautions by not doing anything like these things. Now, if they are not harming us, why are we harming them? And there are many shelters which give the dogs a house and make them get adopted. Now, if you are going to take the example of those dog incidents where they bite their own owners, there could be a lot of reasons. That owner cannot be a good person. There is a chance that that person is mistreating the dog, because how we are only thinking about the dog, the owner, that the owner has died. But what about the dog? What has the dog been feeling? We never know what they have been going through. We are only thinking about what our kind has been going through. Think about the others, because our main motive is equality, right? Then if we are not thinking about equality for other beings, how can we say we are the persons who can declare equality everyone?
Progressive liberals.
Yes. And other than that, in state places, from what I have also seen, a lot of RTs and a lot of people around us feed the dogs, and those dogs never do anything, because those dogs know that this person is good. They know that this person is good, so they are good. Even us, we know that this person is good. So our teacher is teaching us something, then we are not going to attack him randomly. If he does something to us, such as harming us in any way, there is a chance we might attack him. There is a chance we might trigger, because we never know what the dog has been going through or the cat has been going through. We just know that that person has died, and without any information on that article or anything, we can never judge. And if take the example of an insane person, if he kills someone, there are many insane persons. If they kill someone, we are not even thinking about that. There are many people who also kills the dogs and cats. In one incident, in one place, they killed all the dogs and cats because an insane dog killed one person. Because that person threw a rock at him. Because of that, in self-defense. So now they killed all of the dogs around there. Now, was the dog in the wrong or was the human in the wrong? That dog was in the right. He had every chance and had every opportunity to self-defense himself. So he did it. He used it. We have to understand everything without coming to a conclusion. Without any precautions, we cannot do anything. Even our humankind has taken a lot of measures to save ourselves. That is why we are here. That's the thing. That's it.